Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can switch your Instagram to your professional Instagram account. For that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First you have to click on Instagram, then click on profile, and then click on three dots, then click on settings. Then here you can see accounts. You have to go scroll it down. Here you can see switch to professional account. Then you have to click on this and then continue, then continue, then continue, then continue, and then you have to merchandise like what you are. If you are artist, then click on artist, and then just done, give it done. Okay, it can take 30 seconds to creating your professional account. Yeah, and now you have to give, if are you a creator or business, like you are a creator. So next, and that's it, your account turned into a professional account. Here you can see, from here you can see inside, like how many followers you're getting, account reached, and all, like YouTube. So that's it guys, that's how you can change your Instagram to a professional Instagram account, like a celebrity. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.